so yeah, right. Potato. Potato. Catch. Whoa.
Hey, what the?
Oh. Sorry. Hello, good sir.
Hello, human.
Hello guys, what is happening? Shut my pethau, croeso nôl I PopT. Okay, chi'n cofio fi guys yn neud fideo VR cwpl wythnosau nôl. Meat cylinders. Oh no!
Sugar! Give me sugar!
Alright, wow. Fi di neud e to, ond to ma fi'n chwarae'r jobs arall sydd ar gael. Felly, sa'n oedi mwyach offa ni mewn i'r gêm. Tro yma, gomedi chef, auto mechanic, neu office worker. Na i siafflo, cael llygad fi, gomedi chef. Okay, order up. Get cooking, chef yw man.
The smoothie.
Be fi'n neud? Blender. Cor blender, mae hwn yn massive. O, be fi'n blendo de? Unrhyw beth. Bach o chili powder. Fi'n bod yn naughty. O, tomato, dda I ti, moron, a oren. Ie, oren. Ti'n chwarae ffoddi bygad y fi? Wow! Mug. Hwna. Ah! Orders up, baby. Hello, good sir.
Hello, human. Might I trouble you for some tea and crumpets?
Fill him up there. Put a kettle on bed. Crumpet. Oh, crumpet. Ble mae'r crumpet? O na, toast yw hwn. Hey. So ni'n wedi gweld fy ngrumpet. Aha! Crumpets. Order up, bud. Okay, so ni'n neud gomedi chef. Ni'n wedi mynd am office worker. Look at this.
Hello, human. Welcome
Hello.
to an accurate simulation of office worker.
Coffee. Ooh! Be sydd fan hyn de? Y donut, fe? Ooh, fi'n mynd am yr un pink gwn hyn. Yr Homer Simpson. Aha! Coffee. Yw hwnna fyna. Nice. Ac yfed y coffi, fe? Alright. Dda'n tidy. Fi'n mynd I gael donut yma. Ooh, a bouncy ball. Catch. Catch. Whoa!
Hey, what the?
Oh! Sorry, ddim fi dde. Glanhau hwnna I fi.
Hey, that almost hurt.
Ah! Hwnna fyny.
Johnson, I'm counting on you to...
Mae'r boss edrych
Those
Hello, yeah, fi'n brysur.
I'm thinking about...
Human, assistant. Assistant to the assistant manager.
I'm looking forward to your presentation today on all of the
business.
that we did in the last week.
Fi mown di bod mam
wants you to do a presentation.
munud. O, a dyma ni. Presentation. Cup of coffee, boss. Right, sorry, look. Fi yn dda neud hwn. Unig beth sydd ar ôl yw hwn. Auto mechanic.
A true grease monkey.
Grease monkey? Serious now, serious. Whoa! God lle fe. Right, boss. Whoa! One shot. Oh, confetti. Okay. Open for business. So, yeah, right. Potato.
This bot.
Potato.
This vehicle's power source appears to be unacceptably inefficient.
Yeah, alla fi wedi gweud hwnna achos, co. Potato. Tomato, potato, potato. Business. Business. Cowboy look. Howdy, Barker. Oh, that me.
Well, I just got this beauty at the local
Well,
junkyard. It
shucks.
just needs a little love so I can drive legally.
Yeah, just a team note. But I'm taking law. You smash up. Okay. Pal. Come on. Disgusting. You fresh?
Fresh coat of paint.
Pa lliw ddwy. Cwestiwn gwyrdd.
Well, that looks good as new.
I know. Gwario nes I gwario ar y machine ma. Ma hwnna'n ffantastig. Ty beth, beth ti angen hold on am y newydd? Beth os ni'n troi banana mewn? Mae hwn yn prydferth. Edrych ar hwn. A banana car. Does ni'n neud e'n melyn? Yes! Banana car! Banana car! Wow. Oh, ni'n goffi rhoi banana smell mewn ti fewn na. Yeah. Yes! Look at that! Anghofio Tesla, anghofio Apple, cyfuno'r ddau at ei gilydd. Banana. I'm buzzed, fi'n buzzed. Y banana car cyntaf erioed, fydd hwnna'n 2 biliwn o bunnau. Wow! Wow! Oedd yna'n wyllt. A dyna ni wedi gorffen. Fy hoff un fanna oedd y car mechanic. Oedd just mwy i wneud. A fi wedi ddod lan da invention newydd. Y banana. Banana car. A na i weld chi gyd yn y fideo nesaf wrth gwrs. Ond tan hynny. Ta-ta.